What, Nengi, did you do that to your own group too? I don't know, maybe you did. Well, am I lying? When you two go and talk in one corner.
My own was like for...
I beg, you're relaxing with the enemy. You're saying, that's how we did.
Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Here is what caused the fight between Nengi and Vee yesterday. After the sponsored tax yesterday, Nengi and Vee argued the two haven't particularly been friends, but this was the first time they have had an altercation. The reason for this still boiled down to the situation between Nengi and Ozo. The BBNaija 2020 housemates had the tax for the Bitcoin sponsor of the show, and Team Here For You and Hank Candy Flows emerged winners. Vee blamed Nengi for their loss at the sponsored tax. Nengi had made a statement about losing the tax, and that was when Vee said what started the fight. According to Vee, Ozo and Nengi were distracted all the while instead of preparing for their tax, and that was why their group lost out on the money.
It was just sarcasm.
Okay. Just sarcasm, but like it didn't sound nice though.
Ozo, have you done something like this before? Oh, was it today? Maybe I'm going crazy. What, Nengi, did you do that to your own group too? I don't know, maybe you did. Well, am I lying? When you two go and talk in one corner.
My own was like for...
I beg, you're relaxing with the enemy. You're saying, that's how we didn't win. Because you're relaxing with the enemy.
This upset Nengi and she retorted, "There are certain things you don't joke with and it didn't sound nice to me. You are rude, and I know that was not sarcastic joke. It was not nice. Nobody wants to fail any tax intentionally." All she said was unnecessary. Neo and also tried to calm her down, telling her that what Vee said was a joke and she shouldn't take it personal. Vee was indeed surprised at how angry Nengi was. She kept repeating it. "It was sarcasm. It is not my fault if you don't understand sarcasm." Both Nengi and Vee have not spoken since their fight, and this goes against the wager rules Biggie gave the housemate on Monday. Recall that part of the rules Biggie gave the housemate was to maintain peace in the house and avoid bickering and impolite attitude between housemates. Will this affect their wager win this week or not? Guys, what do you think about Vee and Nengi's altercation yesterday? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe, as you also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a new story drops.